when something looks strange, when a big question pops into your head.
Welcome to Dr. Hoot's Mystery Space. I'm your curious friend, Dr. Hoot. Ready? Let's ask, why?
After the rain, the sky begins to clear. A faint arc of colors appears in the distance. Toto and Bobo step outside and gaze at it.
Wow, a rainbow! Why does it appear?
Toto and Bobo stare at the rainbow, thinking,
Why does a rainbow have 7 colors?
Yeah, why red, orange,
Why?
yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet?
as they think, colorful sparkles begin flickering in the air.
Maybe the sky is drawing a picture.
Maybe a unicorn forgot to turn off the shower. Or the clouds are pouring colors down. No, maybe colorful balloons popped.
That doesn't seem right.
Then how does a rainbow appear?
Why does it appear?
Welcome to Dr. Hoot's Mystery Space. Whenever you ask why, this space will open the answer for you. A rainbow needs two good friends, sunlight and raindrops. Light enters a raindrop and splits into colors. Let's imagine this. Imagine raindrops as tiny mirrors.
A mirror.
Exactly. Light goes in and comes out colorful.
Oh, I see.
Light plus rain equals a rainbow.
That's right. Want to make a rainbow yourself?
Yes.
Me too.
All you need, water and sunlight.
Wow, it's there.
A tiny rainbow.
A rainbow isn't magic. It's sunlight and rain working together.
Working together.
By rainbow.
See you next time.
See you at the next why. Remember, the world is big, and why makes it wonderful. Until next time, don't forget to ask,